I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming app and OS are up to date so cryptographic libraries match network expectations. Once done, open Settings, go to Privacy, then Messages or Account, and enable end-to-end encryption. This initiates key generation. Make sure to enable encrypted backup or create a recovery key. You'll need that to restore across devices. Do this now because missing this step causes desinced keys later, and having an offline copy prevents permanent lockout if a device is lost. You should verify fingerprints with contacts so both ends trust the same key. Open the conversation's encryption info and compare the short fingerprint or QR code. If fingerprints disagree, toggle encryption off, then back on to force key regeneration and re-establish trust. Next, review active sessions and revoke any unknown devices in account security to prevent man-in-the-middle issues. Doing these steps ensures key continuity and prevents accidental message loss due to orphaned keys or stale sessions. Finish by sending test encrypted messages to confirm encryption flags, delivery, and readability. If all good, proceed to restore conversation archives. If encryption still fails, clear the app cache, reinstall Instagram, and restore using the recovery key or encrypted backup you saved earlier. Make sure to validate keys on a secondary device before restoring large archives so you don't corrupt message history. If problems persist, revoke all sessions and repeat verification. This isolates the faulty device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.